This is going to be the best squash you have ever had in your entire life, and it's extremely easy to make. All you're going to do is cut your squash up into about a 1/2 inch slices. Go ahead and slice your onion as well. Chop up your bacon. Go ahead, heat a skillet, put your bacon inside. Yep. We're going to let that baby brown until it's golden brown. Go ahead, if you have not already, please subscribe to my page. Click the little bell. Share. Thank you. Go ahead and add your onions once the bacon is cooked. On top of the onions, we will go ahead and put some black pepper on top and stir everything all together. Look at that goodness. Now go ahead and start adding your squash little by little. Once you add squash, add some black pepper and stir it. If you do not eat pork, you can also use smoked turkey for a replacement. You want to sort of flip to make sure you get the bacon grease and the onion all over the squash, because that is the main component for the flavor for this fried squash recipe. Alright, so once it's sauteed down a little bit, you're going to go ahead and add another batch of squash and more black pepper as well. If you would like, you can add a dash of sea salt. Continue to stir/flip the squash and add black pepper as needed. You are going to show a little extra love of that black pepper on this recipe because that is literally the only spice we're using. This is your girl JKellz. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is what your finished product will look like. Enjoy your squash, you all. As I love to say, peace and be blessed. Share, comment, like, and subscribe.